Happy Sunday. We are going to do a quick little box frame. This is Let's Stay Home. It's part of another larger set. And then this is one of our smaller box frames. So I've already prepped my black paste. I love these little boxes because they are super fast and super easy. If you're looking for a quick gift to make, or you want to just change up some of the decorations in your house, this is an easy way to do that. So I'm just making sure that I have all of the open parts of the transfer covered, making sure I don't have any streaks in my letters. And then I'm gonna use my tool here to get this up. Super fast, okay? Now, what I love about these is they're actually double-sided. So I can leave this sit out for a while, or let me show you what else I can do. I'm gonna take our new Love transfer and place this on the center of the back. Get my squeegee out of the way. So if I have this out and it's getting close to Valentine's Day, or I just want to change something up a little bit, then I can do that. See if I need to add any water to this. I think I'll be okay for what I'm working on. This little tool is amazing. It's great for stirring. It's also great for getting into small little spaces. This is the Candy Apple Red. And this Love is part of our new winter suite, our little add-on catalog, I like to say. Okay, and again, just make sure I don't have any streaks. Ta-da! Have two sides completely done, super easy. I can add some ribbon to this to liven up this side a little bit, and then Let's Stay Home on the back. So I'll just let this dry, and then I'm gonna add some ribbon to it. But how quick and easy. 2 transfers, 1 box, 2 colors. Very, very quick.